your brother, Jock. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Hiccups. Peppa, Jock, Mommy and Daddy are having breakfast. It's a lovely sunny day and Peppa and Jock can't wait to go into the garden to play. Mommy, please can we go out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. Jock, don't drink your juice too quickly. Jock drank his juice too quickly and now he has hiccups. Can we go out to play now, Mommy? Not why Jock have hiccups, but Jock hiccups have gone. Have they, Jock? Oh, alright, you can go out and play, but look after Jock. Peppa and Jock love playing in the garden. Jock, I'm gonna throw the ball and you have to catch it. Jock, please start hiccup. Jock, and now you throw the ball to me and I have to catch it. Jock! Oh dear, Jock hiccups are playing the game. Jock, I know how to cure hiccups. You have to do what I say. Rub top and top your tummy. Good, now hiccups had gone. Peppa cures don't seem. Jock, you have done it all wrong. I know a better way to cure hiccups. First, jump up and down 3 times on leg. Now wave your arm up and down and stick your tongue out. And now close your eyes and turn around quickly 3 times. Peppa News Cure hasn't worked either. Jock still has hiccups. I know. To cure Piggy behave and shook. Jock, I'm going to scare you, but you must remember it's only a game, and I will stop your hiccups. Remember, it's just pretend scary. Peppa, you mustn't play so Rolly to Rock. He's only little. Sorry, Mommy, I was just trying to stop Jock hiccups. Jock hiccups haven't gone. Here comes Daddy Pig with 2 breakers of juice. Jock, if you drink too quickly, you will get hiccups again. I'm not a Jock. I can drink juice as quickly as I want to.